Look at this incredible sunrise. It's the perfect start to the day here at the peak of the orange season.
To truly understand the quality of our juice, you have to start here, in the grove. We're going to follow the process from the tree to the bottle.
How is this color?
That's good.
That's good. We need more like this.
Check for any damaged fruit before stacking.
This batch looks perfect.
Ready for the next crate over here. We emphasize gentle handling during the harvest. As you can see with this sample, we're looking for that perfect color break and absolutely no bruising.
All right, pull back slowly.
Looks good. Get the straps on tight before we roll out. As the sun sets, the true magic of the orange grove reveals itself. It's a moment of perfect, reflective peace. When we talk about quality, we mean starting right here, at the source. That's why these partnerships are so vital.
We've seen the oranges arrive, but the real magic happens next. Join us as we explore the state-of-the-art technology behind the scenes.
Welcome to the main receiving area. As you can see, it's quite busy today.
It's impressive. I'm excited to see the operation.
Examine a sample of every batch. As you can see with this component, we ensure it meets our strict standards before it moves forward. The sorting process is absolutely critical for consistent juice extraction. We hand select only the best fruit. We are now moving from the processing corridor into the main attraction, the extraction hall. This is where the real work begins. automated peeling process is crucial for juice quality. It ensures the fruit is handled quickly and efficiently.
This is the core of our process, the gentle squeezing method. We apply just enough pressure to extract the purest oils without damaging the delicate compounds. This right here is the primary filtration unit. It's essential for removing suspended solids before the water moves downstream. This is where the magic happens. This tank holds over 10,000 gallons of raw, unfiltered juice, kept at the perfect temperature before bottling.
Sample 3B just arrived via the pneumatic system.
Run the analysis on the holo display. I want to see the projections now.
Next, we have the fine filtration stage. This prepares the material for the final heat treatment process that you see here.
The first stage traps the larger particles, then the water flows through the carbon block. Crucial RO membrane filtration.
This new filtration system significantly improves the clarity of the water. The membranes here capture even the finest particulates. As you can see in the beaker, the centrifuge separates the mixture, pushing the dense pulp to the bottom while the pure oil rises to the top.
To ensure every bottle tastes the same, we implement strict standardization. We measure the exact levels of sweetness and acidity using this equipment.
Did you adjust the concentrate valve?
Yes, just finished. It's circulating now.
The HTST process, or high temperature, short time, ensures we eliminate pathogens.
In summary, both filtration and pasteurization are critical steps to guarantee the purity and safety of the final product. Before bottling, the juice undergoes standardization right here. This ensures that every bottle tastes exactly the same. Flavor balancing is understanding how the ingredients interact. We add this acidic note to brighten the sweetness just before it reaches the mixing vat.
I'm detecting a clear floral note on the finish.
Yes, consistent with the previous batch. Record that as high intensity.
The final stage is critical. We check the clarity and aroma, then use the refractometer. Only when it meets our
And now, as we move into the main facility, we're going to get an up-close look at our state-of-the-art bottling process.
Rinse complete.
Once the bottles are filled and sealed, they arrive here at the pallet bay. We ensure they are securely wrapped before the immediate transfer.
Keep it coming slow. All right, hold it right there. Chocks are in.
We need to make sure these are front facing.
Got it. Almost done with this pallet.
Next time you're here, don't be afraid to explore these vibrant options. There's a perfect blend for everyone right here in the chilled section.